Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about the best robo-advisor. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, what is a robo-advisor? A robo-advisor is a platform that uses algorithms instead of a human to manage its client portfolios. These platforms make it easy for beginners to build well-diversified investing portfolios while charging less than a typical human advisor. If you decide that using a robo-advisor is right for you, you'll quickly find that there are many companies vying for your business, and it can be difficult to compare them. Now, the first one on our list is Betterment. Betterment understands that sometimes it's still nice to be able to talk to a human. So, while it has the things you expect from a robo-advisor like automated investing, rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting, it makes our best robo-advisors list because it also offers multiple ways for clients to get human advice. Premium plan customers get unlimited access to CFP professionals, but this plan is unfortunately only available to investors on the premium plan with a minimum balance of at least $100,000. For everyone else, Betterment offers one-time calls with financial experts. Starting at $299 only, the current packages include getting started, financial checkup, marriage planning, college planning, and retirement planning. Betterment's digital plan, which has no minimum balance requirement, comes with an advisory fee of 0.25%, while it charges premium plan customers 0.4% of assets under management. The second platform on our list is M1 Finance. Honestly, M1 is not a true robo-advisor because they don't offer advice, but their ability to create self-directed pie-slice portfolios and then auto-invest them is what we love. Whether your strategy involves individual shares or low-cost ETFs, or some combination of the two, M1 Finance will allow you to automate your investment strategy, including rebalancing. Typical robo-advisors don't allow for much customization, but the M1 Finance portfolio is infinitely customizable, which is perfect for investors who want to be differently allocated than the standard robo-advising template. The only danger with the platform is that it doesn't have the same guardrails that most robo-advisors offer. Users could end up trading away their resources or even borrowing money. We recommend using M1 Finance only for its automation capabilities, not as a platform to trade or borrow on margin. The next platform on our list is Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple makes our best robo-advisors list because it is one of the first to specialize in environmental and socially responsible investments. It offers a general westernized approach to socially responsible investing as well as a halal investment option, including the exclusion of businesses that derive significant income from interest on loans. At 0.5% management fee or 0.4% for portfolios over $100,000, the fees are a bit higher than the other robo-advisors on our list today, but it also offers benefits that others don't. For example, all investors with over $100,000 in assets at Wealthsimple will get a financial planning session. Those with over $500,000 in assets will get financial planning sessions on an ad hoc basis. If you're excited about socially responsible investing, Wealthsimple could be the most straightforward way for you to invest. The next one on our list is Wealthfront. Now, Wealthfront continues to impress with an excellent user interface, ongoing innovation, and serious efforts to help investors take advantage of tax loss harvesting opportunities. This is especially beneficial for high net worth investors who have a lot of money in non-retirement accounts. In addition to the tax loss harvesting component, Wealthfront continually innovates and to present investors with tested investment solutions, including accounts that adjust for risk parity and algorithms that consider 5-factor investing models. It's the new automated planning tools that make it easy for investors to see whether common goals like early retirement, college, home buying, or traditional retirement are manageable given their savings rates. With a 0.25% annual management fee, Wealthfront is also a low-cost leader. Now, the last platform on our list is Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios continues to impress with its low fees and expansive offerings. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is just one of the company's many innovations that can help less experienced investors get and stay invested for the long term. The account minimum for Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is $5,000, while the best part of it is the price. Basic asset management services cost $0 annually. All trading and asset management fees are completely free. The only major criticism of the service is the amount of cash investors must keep on hand. The portfolios recommend positions ranging from 6% to 30% of investments. This tends to be too much cash for most people who have a long-term investment goal. In addition to the standard service, Charles Schwab investors can opt for a premium service. This service costs $300 the first time you opt in, and then $30 per month afterwards. With the premium service, you will have unlimited access to human financial planners, which is always great in the end. Not every investor needs a robo-advisor, but these platforms can help you get invested, stay invested, and avoid big mistakes. While no platform is perfect, all of the tools that we've mentioned today can make better investing possible. When considering robo-advisors, be sure to compare fees, investment products, and strategies before you commit to one tool. If you don't like the idea of computers controlling your investments, then even the very best robo-advisors won't be for you. Instead, choose a low-cost brokerage to implement your own investment strategy. So that's basically all about the best robo-advisor. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.